Great projects don't just happen. They are built brick by brick, decision by decision, with quality as the mortar that holds it all together. Quality is not an afterthought, it's not a department. It's the lifeblood of any project that aspires to be truly great. From the initial blueprint to the final product, a relentless focus on quality separates the good from the truly exceptional. Why does quality matter so much? Because it impacts every facet of a project. It influences customer satisfaction, budget adherence, and ultimately, the project's legacy. A project riddled with defects, delays, and rework is not just a financial drain, it's a blow to morale and reputation. Conversely, a project executed with precision and care breeds confidence, fosters trust, and paves the way for future success. This is the essence of project quality management, or PQM. It's a disciplined, proactive approach to embedding quality into every fiber of a project. It's about anticipating challenges, establishing clear standards, and relentlessly pursuing excellence in every endeavor. PQM is not a quick fix. It's a long-term investment that yields substantial returns. Think of PQM as the bedrock upon which every great project is built. It provides the stability, the structure, and the unwavering commitment to excellence that enables teams to weather storms, overcome obstacles, and ultimately deliver exceptional results. This guide will delve into the key components of PQM, providing actionable insights and real-world examples to empower project managers at all levels. Every great journey begins with a map. In project management, that map is the quality management plan. It's the blueprint for achieving quality, a comprehensive document outlining the project's quality objectives, processes, and responsibilities. This is not a task to be delegated or rushed. It demands the full attention of the project leader and their team. The quality management plan defines what quality actually means for the specific project. It outlines the standards to be met, the metrics to be tracked, and the methodologies to be employed. Think of it as the project's quality constitution, guiding every decision and action throughout the project lifecycle. A robust quality management plan leaves no room for ambiguity. It clearly delineates roles and responsibilities, ensuring that everyone involved understands their part in delivering quality. It outlines the communication channels to be used, the documentation to be maintained, and the escalation procedures to be followed should issues arise. The act of creating a quality management plan is as important as the document itself. It forces the team to think critically about potential risks, to define success in measurable terms, and to align on a shared vision of quality. This collaborative process fosters ownership, accountability, and a collective commitment to excellence. Imagine building a house. You wouldn't wait until the house is fully built to check if the walls are straight or the foundation is solid. You'd inspect and adjust throughout the construction process. That's the essence of quality assurance, or QA. QA is the ongoing process of preventing defects from taking root in the first place. It's about building quality into every step, rather than trying to inspect it in at the end. Think of it as the project's immune system, constantly vigilant and proactive in maintaining quality. Regular reviews, audits, and walkthroughs are the hallmarks of effective QA. These activities provide opportunities to identify potential issues early on, when they are easier and less costly to address. It's about course correction, not crisis management. QA is not about finding fault. It's about finding solutions, fostering continuous improvement, and ensuring that the project stays true to its quality objectives. It's about creating a culture where quality is everyone's responsibility, not just the domain of a dedicated team. While quality assurance focuses on prevention, quality control, or QC, centers on detection. It's about systematically evaluating the project's outputs to ensure they meet the predefined quality standards. Think of it as the project's quality checkpoint, ensuring that only the highest quality work makes it to the next stage. QC typically involves a range of tools and techniques, from inspections and tests to statistical sampling and data analysis. The specific methods used will depend on the nature of the project and the defined quality criteria. The key to effective QC is objectivity. It's about removing subjectivity from the equation and relying on data and established standards to evaluate quality. This ensures that decisions are made based on facts, not opinions. QC is not about assigning blame. It's about identifying deviations from the plan, understanding their root causes, and implementing corrective actions to prevent recurrence. It's about learning from mistakes and using that knowledge to continuously improve the process. Section 5. The never-ending journey, continuous quality improvement. The pursuit of quality is not a destination. It's a continuous journey of learning, adapting, and striving for excellence. Continuous quality improvement, or CQI, embodies this philosophy, advocating for an ongoing cycle of planning, doing, checking, and acting. CQI recognizes that even the best processes can be improved. It encourages teams to constantly seek out opportunities for optimization, to challenge the status quo, and to embrace innovation. It's about fostering a culture of restlessness, where complacency is the enemy of progress. Data is the lifeblood of CQI. By meticulously tracking metrics, analyzing trends, and soliciting feedback, teams gain valuable insights into what's working, what's not, and where improvements can be made. This data-driven approach ensures that decisions are made based on evidence, not assumptions. CQI is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's a mindset, a commitment to constantly seeking out ways to enhance quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. It's about fostering a culture of continuous learning and improvement, where every team member feels empowered to contribute to the pursuit of excellence. Section 6. Real-world triumphs, quality management in action. The principles of project quality management are not confined to textbooks. They are actively shaping success stories across industries, from the manufacturing floors of automotive giants to the operating rooms of world-renowned hospitals. Let's examine a few compelling examples. In the automotive industry, Toyota's legendary Toyota Production System, or TPS, stands as a testament to the power of quality management. By embedding principles like just-in-time inventory and Jidoka, automation with a human touch, Toyota transformed itself from a small Japanese automaker into a global leader, synonymous with quality and reliability. The healthcare sector provides another compelling case study. The rise of Lean Six Sigma methodologies in hospitals worldwide has led to significant improvements in patient safety, reduced medical errors, and optimized healthcare delivery. By applying data-driven approaches and rigorous process improvement techniques, hospitals are enhancing patient outcomes while simultaneously reducing costs. Even in the fast-paced world of software development, the principles of PQM are proving their mettle. The Agile methodology, with its emphasis on iterative development, continuous feedback, and close collaboration with stakeholders, has become the gold standard for delivering high-quality software that meets evolving user needs. These examples underscore the transformative power of project quality management. When applied with discipline and commitment, PQM principles can revolutionize industries, elevate customer experiences, and drive sustainable success. Section 7. The People Factor. Cultivating a quality-driven culture. Technology, tools, and techniques are undoubtedly important, but the true engine of quality is people. A robust quality management system is only as effective as the people who implement it. Cultivating a quality-driven culture is paramount. This requires leadership commitment, open communication, and a shared understanding of quality as everyone's responsibility. It's about empowering individuals to take ownership, to speak up when they see issues, and to actively contribute to the pursuit of excellence. Training and development play a crucial role. Equipping team members with the knowledge, skills, and tools to champion quality is essential. This includes training on quality principles, problem-solving techniques, and data analysis, fostering a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Recognition and rewards are powerful motivators. Celebrating successes, acknowledging contributions, and rewarding individuals and teams who consistently demonstrate a commitment to quality reinforces its importance. It shows that quality is not just a slogan, it's a core value that is actively recognized and appreciated. Section 8. Overcoming obstacles. Common challenges in quality management. The path to quality is rarely a straight line. Along the way, project managers are likely to encounter various obstacles and challenges. Recognizing these potential pitfalls and developing strategies to overcome them is crucial for success. One common challenge is resistance to change. Implementing new processes or adopting a more rigorous approach to quality can be met with skepticism or pushback. especially in organizations with entrenched ways of working. Clear communication, stakeholder engagement, and demonstrating the tangible benefits of PQM can help overcome this resistance. Another hurdle is the temptation to cut corners. When faced with time constraints or budget pressures, there can be pressure to prioritize speed over quality. However, sacrificing quality for short-term gains is a recipe for long-term pain. Reinforcing the importance of quality, even under pressure, and highlighting the potential consequences of shortcuts is crucial. Insufficient resources, lack of clear ownership, and inadequate communication can also hinder quality management efforts. Addressing these challenges requires proactive planning, clearly defined roles and responsibilities, and fostering a culture of open and transparent communication. Section 9. Measuring success. Key performance indicators, KPIs for quality. What gets measured gets managed. This adage holds true for quality management. Establishing clear key performance indicators, KPIs, is essential for tracking progress, identifying areas for improvement, and demonstrating the value of PQM efforts. The specific KPIs used will vary depending on the nature of the project and the defined quality objectives. However, some common metrics include defect density, which measures the number of defects identified per unit of work, providing insights into the effectiveness of quality assurance and control measures. Customer satisfaction, which tracks customer feedback and satisfaction levels, highlighting areas where quality is meeting or exceeding expectations and areas for improvement. On-time delivery, which measures the percentage of deliverables completed on time, reflecting the efficiency and effectiveness of project planning and execution. Cost of quality, which tracks the costs associated with preventing and addressing quality issues, providing a clear picture of the financial impact of quality management efforts. Regularly monitoring and analyzing these KPIs provides valuable insights into the effectiveness of the quality management system. It enables data-driven decision-making, allowing project managers to identify trends, track progress, and make necessary adjustments to ensure the project stays on track to achieve its quality objectives. Section 10. The enduring legacy. Quality as a cornerstone of project success. In the grand tapestry of project management, quality is not merely a thread, it's the warp and weft that holds everything together. It's the foundation upon which enduring success is built, the cornerstone of customer satisfaction, and the legacy that great projects leave behind. Embracing project quality management is not an option, it's an imperative. In an increasingly competitive world where customers demand excellence and reputations are built on trust, organizations cannot afford to ignore the power of quality. By weaving the principles of PQM into the very fabric of their projects, organizations unlock a cascade of benefits. They reduce costs, improve efficiency, enhance customer satisfaction, and foster a culture of excellence that permeates every facet of their operations. The journey to mastering project quality management is ongoing. It requires commitment, discipline, and a relentless pursuit of improvement. But the rewards are well worth the effort. For in the end, it's the unwavering commitment to quality that separates the good from the truly great.